Hello everyone, this is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm going to bring you into the factory here and give you a little bit of a taste of how our luxury fifth wheels are being built. Now this is very unique because we are a factory direct business model, so we're able to invite you in for a free factory tour so you can actually see how these units are being built. Now I'm just going to give you just a little bit of a taste of what it's like to walk along this line. And if you're really interested, you can come to our website or give us a call at 844-284-6678 or visit our website luxefifthwheels.com. Click on the About menu item and you'll see Would You Like to Visit? So hey, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight.